Today, we will be going over how to install the X7910 North hitch for your Dodge Ram 25 or 3500. If equipped, remove the license plate, then the factory license plate bracket. The bracket is held in with 4 screws. Using a screwdriver or a similar tool, carefully disconnect the 2 push clips in the bottom of the air dam. Next, remove the 14 nuts attaching the lower air dam to the front bumper. The last 4 middle nuts can be accessed through the front opening in the air dam. Remove the 3 plastic push clips on the bottom of the intercooler shroud. Remove the 4 bolts holding the intercooler shroud to the front of the intercooler. Remove the charge air cooler shroud. Be careful not to damage the charge air cooler fins. Starting on the driver's side, remove the M12 bolt just forward and below of the front body mount. Remove both M16 tow hook bolts if equipped. Take note of the factory nut and tab orientations on the opposite side of the frame before removal. The vehicle on the video does not have the vertical frame bracket bolts, so please refer to the instructions on how to remove those. Repeat the tow hook process on the opposite side. For fishing the bolts, you will want to work from the outside of the frame toward the rear of the frame. Then, attach your hardware and pull them through. Using the provided spacer plate, place that in the hitch plate onto the frame where your bolts are mounted. Repeat the process on the other side of the vehicle as well. Once the plates are on, slide the tow hook back through the bumper and into the frame. Install one M16 bolt with 1/5/8 flat washer into each of the 2 upper holes in the side plate and through the tow hook. Loosely thread each of the bolts into the factory nuts. Install one M12 bolt with one M12 flat washer into the remaining hole. Loosely secure the bolt with the factory nut. Repeat this on the opposite side as well. Using a reciprocating body saw or other method, trim the center of the intercooler shroud. You will need to do the same with the air dam as well. Reattach the intercooler shroud and air dam in the reverse order of removal, and be careful to not allow the studs in the air dam to scratch the paint. Install the cross tube into the side plates, one side at a time. It is easiest to angle the cross tube into position with one side farther towards the rear of the truck. You will need to flex the air dam downwards until the hitch receiver aligns with the cutout. Using the 1/2-inch bolts, secure your plates to your cross tube. Then torque your bolts to the proper specs. Using the alignment plate, align it with one of the two tabs on the receiver. Use a felt-tipped pen to mark the hole location. Repeat for the opposite side of the receiver. Install 1/4 inch button head bolt into each hole on the air dam and through the tab on the side of the receiver. Secure each bolt with 1/4 inch SAE flat washer and 1/4 inch thin nylock nut. Tighten until snug. Do not over-tighten as it may deform the plastic. After assembling your license plate bracket, you can use your pin and clip to secure it in place, and various accessories to your hitch.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.